So this is my first vlog or proper outside video. And I'm not gonna lie, feels a little bit weird. Definitely things to get used to with a new camera. Obviously I'm used to being behind my desk. But I wanna get out here and I wanna talk about the things that I'm gonna be doing to make it feel less weird, to make it feel less awkward. And the things I'm gonna do to try and improve. And the mindset I've been thinking about that's actually making me okay with recording outside when it's something completely alien, and trust me, we all feel weird doing it. The first thing is you don't really need to be in anywhere in public straight away. You don't even need to be talking to the camera, you can record over afterwards. I'm literally on a beach in Thailand after some pretty big storms, so sadly the beach looks really pretty crappy right now, but that's not the Thai's fault. We've had some seriously hardcore weather. A couple of weeks this will all be cleared up. But the point of what I'm saying is I'm in the middle of nowhere. There's actually a massive derelict resort here that maybe during COVID was created. I would love to take that over and create a creative village, but maybe there's a different video there. But the point of what I was trying to say is that you don't have to be in public. You can be out walking somewhere quiet. You could be sitting in your car. You can film your B-roll without talking. So I could be filming pieces on the beach, things in the supermarkets. I've got an attachment for my motorbike, so I'm going to be able to record some footage while I'm driving and doing other things. So you don't have to be in the video all the time. And these days, vlogging isn't just about doing this thing where you're walking down a beach or walking down a street with a selfie stick like I am now. Vlogging is more about the impersonal, quick, low edit, more real videos that people are craving these days. It can be in the office. Some of my content will be a mixture of me at a desk, you know, showing more classic how-to videos, and then other ones when I'm out and about, so that I don't have to be stuck to a desk. But it could be in a car. It could be on your phone, walking down the road on the way to work. It could be at work. It could be in the gym. Just don't be one of those assholes that records other people and gets upset. But it's more about the relaxed, informal type of content. And as long as you're sharing value in terms of the different formulas that I've been saying, in terms of having either you're an interesting character doing interesting things, or you're doing your point of view where you're documenting the process of you learning to do something such as running a marathon and the build up and the problems and everything else, or starting an online business or whatever it's going to be. So you've got a point of view aspect, or you've got an educational aspect. Now obviously my channel is about educational for YouTube, growing your YouTube channels, getting more views, making money with YouTube and everything else. But that doesn't mean I have to sit behind a desk. Or you've got an in real life aspect. Now typically you want two of those things. In real life and the sort of diary style of things doesn't really work that much anymore unless you're someone interesting. We look at the likes of Sam Sulek. He's super interesting. He's built like Arnold Schwarzenegger. So that's pretty damn interesting. And that's all he needs then. He just needs to document his life and people will be interested. But for the average Joe like you and me, we need to do educational things, do point of view things, and bring extra layers of different layers to our videos. There's different things going on. So people want to see the in real life. They want to see your experiences and where you are and what you're doing. They want to see your point of views, your fails, your wins, a sort of reality TV of you documenting things. And they also want some educational things. You know, if you've got experiences and things you can share in your life that's going to help people in your niche, then people love to hear it. The other thing I want to talk about today is who you should be listening to. Now, you're going to have fear doing this. As I said, it feels weird even being on this quiet beach. And I'm going to have to steadily build up to getting myself in, getting the camera out in restaurants, getting the camera out in the street more. But, you know, within my own comfort zone. But I could always bring my partner with me for those ones, or you could bring a friend. So it doesn't look like you're just talking to yourself. You could actually pretend that you're, recording on your phone. It's easier if you've got a phone, because it looks like you're just talking to people on the phone, so you can get away with that more. But anyways, the point of what I'm saying is, don't let the doubters and the people influence you. The only advice you should be listening to is that from people that have and are doing or have done what you want. So you should be listening to YouTubers, business owners, other people that are doing what you're doing. And it's not to say, this includes your loved ones, it's not to say that their advice and opinions aren't important, but you're trying to do something that most people have never done. And growing a YouTube channel, much like growing a business, requires you to walk where others aren't willing to do. You're willing to get on camera, you're willing to put yourself in strange situations, you're willing to step into uncomfortable zones that most people aren't. So you're doing things that people don't know about, but you're also learning things. And don't take advice again from people that haven't done it before. You know, I love my partner, I respect her opinion, but you also have to realize that if you get an opinion and it's an uneducated opinion, it doesn't mean it's right. You probably know more than the people around you. Everybody's got an opinion. There's a saying, it's probably a bit rude, I'm not going to say actually, but basically everybody has an opinion. And let's just say, not all are right. Even if you respect the person, not all of them are right. So go do your thing. Don't listen to the doubters. Don't listen to the other opinions of telling you what they should do, you should do. You need to research your niche based on what you want to do, what your audience wants, what can probably potentially make you some money, and everything else. Not just what people think that the market wants. I'm not a travel vlogger, and I would never be a travel vlogger, even though I love traveling the world and living abroad, because you don't make huge amounts of money in it, and you have to never stop traveling. So that's it. Get outside, make it as easy as possible for you. Create these very easy, low edit, low effort videos. Get out, show people the real world, educate, and do something different. So that's it. If you want more videos like this, let me know your thoughts. Do you like this, me being outside more? As always, if you would like more free training, you can join our free community. I'll link to that in the video description. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you inside the next video.